Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix there was a problem communicating with Steam and fix Steam error code E20. First method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Click Network and Internet, click Network and Sharing Center. Click Connected Network, click Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4. Type alternate DNS server addresses. Second method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Run set of commands one by one. Third method is right-click taskbar, click Task Manager, and Task Steam. Right-click Start button, click Run type %local app data %. Delete Steam folder. Fourth method is right-click taskbar, click Task Manager. Right-click Steam, click End Task. Right-click Steam shortcut, click File Location. Right-click Steam Application, click Run as administrator. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.